Right then, so in today's video we are mounting the spoiler to mine that I bought online, which after the videos makes a nice difference. It really changes up the back end. Also fitted a Panhard rod. Doug's in the black K11, he was just changing his wheels over because he sold the mini lights that were on it because he's bought some wider wheels that he's going to be chucking on soon. So yeah, we're just having a mess around, just putting a few things on and just getting a couple of little jobs done that need doing. And yeah, that's basically it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Tell the people what you're up to, mate.
Huh?
Tell the people what you're up to.
What I'm currently doing is struggling because my mate Royston won't give me his gun. Ah, yeah, fuck.
Do you want the fucking? Do you want the duck duck?
Oh, the whizzer, mate. Where's the whizzer?
A little duck duck.
Oh, mate.
Drilled him right in the ass, man.
Right then, should we get my rod out?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
I'll get my fucking rod out.
Don't do that. Nice rod, man.
Thanks.
That's one rod, mate.
Right,
Juice flap. Juice fab.
we all know what this is. You got one of these on yours, are you?
Mate. Safety first.
Should we show what it's
He
called?
says on chopped springs.
Right, when you lower these on the back, if you ain't got an adjustable powered rod, the stock rod on the back adjusts for it, and one wheel sticks out more than the other. So that one's sticking out a fair bit. That one's recessed in. And the stock bar on the car is like this usually, and then when you lower it, the bar goes down. Because of that, it pushes that side. So you put this on, and then you can adjust them accordingly.
Let's get it done.
Just gotta fucking wait for him to finish that.
Chuck us the duck duck, kid.
Oh, this is coming. I wanted it on one of the sides. Should still work. I'm dirty and everything. I have the stick.
Your face.
I'm good as you don't record that one.
Shaking.
It's an odd number. Pissed off.
Yep. Out there.
Give it a nice rows of 3. Well,
It's a bit wobbly, but it's stuck on alright, eh?
still should look funny.
Yeah, just wobbling about as well.
Wobble around, but always
that looks sick.
self-rightly. Yeah, that's cool.
You seen through the...
It's actually quite cute.
Yeah,
Wobbles
it's sick one. Just need to dry out the back window so you can see him properly.
Yeah.
Right, I just want to jump in here real quick and just say thank you to anyone who's watching the videos, keeping up, people that are liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. It's all shooting up recently. The first video of the K11 got just over 3k views in a couple of months, which is probably the best any one of my videos has performed. And I'm not usually one to ask for subscriptions or likes on videos and stuff, but the impact it's had, to be fair, has been crazy. So if you are enjoying them, maybe just pop a quick like on, share the video on socials if you got a second, and if you do want to keep watching, hit the subscribe, because there's quite a few people doing it recently and it feels good. So I want to see how far we can get it, and I want to do a lot more cool things with this car and try and do some crazy stuff with it, and doing that myself financially is not going to work really. So if we can boost this channel and get it going, then we can do some crazy stuff. But yeah, we want to do some engine swaps and all sorts, paint jobs and everything. So if you got time, just pop a quick like, subscribe if you want to stick around, and yeah, thanks very much if you have done already.
You're just doing another OCD job?
Yeah. Not a pointless one that nobody wants to do in Spider. Get yourself a little pet there.
I'll eat that later.
Still eating. I don't know, this comes after me. I'm opening it. Busy, you see. Give this a bit of a fucking...
And all that just to tidy that.
It's wet, you don't want it wet. It's dry now.
Fixed?
Yep.
All right, mate. Got the DeWalt.
From spinner. Ian dinner.
How's that gone?
Let's have a look, shall we? Fucking brilliant.
Mechanic. Mechanic. I'm gonna close up as well.
Yeah.
See what I mean now?
Can't balance it anymore.
And it's literally...
That's
line
cheeky.
it up with the doofler. Ah!
That looks good actually, man.
No, it's literally how mine is.
Makes the back a bit,
You do
bit
yours
cheekier.
first.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, piece of piss. If you want to go fine, you can just put a little bit of tape or something just to mark where you want to put it.
Yeah. I just wanted the back end looking less rounded.
Yeah.
That looks good now.
See what I mean about it being fatter?
Get it loin.
It's not on this side, is it? Close the time.
Obviously line it up before we press it down, yeah.
I reckon your side.
Yeah, I'm level with this.
You happy with that?
Yeah, just as long as it's level with this line, yeah.
Looks it like to me. It might move when you press it down.
No?
Looks cheeky though, doesn't
Literally, even from here,
It's for me, mate.
that looks sound.
Knob on now.
Yeah. Decent little fucking...
It's mad how much it
Yeah,
transforms
it
back
has
in.
changed the look of the back a fair bit, to be fair.
Yeah, because it's like, it's just got a bit of flair to it.
Just a quick one. I've made an Instagram account for the car and the channel. I was using my personal before, but I thought I'd make a dedicated one, so here's the tag.
Oh!
Slides on a bolt.
Left side would be stiff as well on it, so it shouldn't drop anywhere.
After that.
Probably a fucking Clio or something, eh?
I bet that's a lovely lay-on that is.
Definitely a Lion or an ST.
I hope it's a lay-on with like metallic purple wrap.
Metallic purple.
Specifically that colour.
I just love one of them.
A chrome blue, man.
Yeah, with a kill all wiper sticker. Oh, that's so nice.
The fucking wing that's bolted to the boot.
Yeah.
It'd be dead nice if it's financed as well. With some finance wheels, some finance bags and like
Yeah.
all that. Probably 17.
I think it's going to put these wheels up for me, is it?
Hey, so there's me wang look from down there.
You wang look. Just a nice little lip on the top, eh?
Cheeky, man.
Yeah. Just double check it actually, make sure it don't need pushing back down or anything. You know what else is added to it? This nice now fucking dried out back window so you can see your arm and ball. Look at
That makes all the difference.
that. Yeah.
The bolt comes out the back. There you go.
Okay, cook egg on there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Now, let's do the other side now.
If anything. So a bit warm, is it?
Toasted, mate. Put the cock on there.
Still a touch. Yeah, that's a bit, that's
You know what I mean?
Do you want me glasses? You don't get rust in your eye.
No, I'll be ready.
Ah, fuck it.
He loves it.
Who worries about rust in their eyes, man?
It's a rook, I think he does.
Yeah.
Closing them.
Just this away.
Ah, you cunt.
What's the guy?
That's fucking hit me on.
Oh.
Got a flathead, right? Big fat flathead screwdriver.
Have you got a flat head?
Just to try, just to try and prize this away from here, because I want the bush to come with it.
Help me
up.
Come here, mate.
Fucking hell.
Just get relying on it. What do you think about this, to be fair?
A bit of thinking.
Weird.
So then you can just twist the bottom of the screwdriver. We want the whole thing to come off, not just the rubber. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nah, it slipped out of the rubber.
You might pull it with you. I don't know what else to do, even if it does.
Come in.
Nah.
The rubber,
Taking the metal with it.
yeah, the rubber stayed there.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, like it's moved forward with the rubbers. Well, it stayed with the
See,
metal underneath.
see what happens.
Might just have to get the grinder on that metal bit.
That's the rubber though, eh? Is that just the bit you get?
Yes,
oh, that
mate, you
metal
need
there.
to cut through it.
Oh,
See what I'm
fuck.
saying? Yeah. It's a bit of a bastard. There's not many people I know that have had that all off in one go. You got the cutter?
I have got one, yeah.
Your cutter and some specs. You got that thing?
What a line one.
Get your cutter out and your specs. Come on, kid. Don't spray that much air because you're on a big fire.
Oh, fuck.
Alright. That's all your stuff, Graham. 1, 2, 3. Just double check you've got them all. Yeah, should have.
Jumping up 3 men in the whip, running him down.
Hey, cheers, mate.
Done well on that.
Handle me rod, will ya?
Well comfortable being under that, too fair, can't lie.
It's how designed for it, is it?
Where's the
I don't think
whacker?
so. There's a whacker, it's behind
Right,
me.
mate.
Quick hand check.
That's me all near, that is. What's that?
To get the rest through.
Is that the wrong thing?
I like a glove.
Bang.
Nice one.
Ask that kid to come and have that thing.
My old rod. Some guy messaged me on Facebook
Yeah.
because he said, "Can I have your old Panhard rod?" He said, "I went over something too fast and I bent mine."
What?
And this was like an upside down V.
Yo, what's he eat, man?
Everything.
Cheers.
It was like
Them boys.
it was like this.
Juice, where did I put it?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, I chucked it in. Like that way, yeah.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, so.
Pussy. Oh. My ears are funny after that. It's contagious, yeah.
Do some push-ups, mate. Just, what can you bench?
Bench press a fucking 9%.
Can you bench 3 kilo?
I don't even know, do I?
3 kilos.
Not these days.
Yeah, not bad.
Thank you very much. Sorry.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mum. Right then, we chucked the Panhard rod on. Still needs adjusting. We did do it on the dry, but when we've put it down, it's still sticking out a bit. But we can wind that in. Put the wing on, which I think looks sweet. Just makes the back end look so a bit less rounded. and just looks nice. Yeah man, it's been a good day tinkering.
Right then, if you've made it this far, thanks very much for watching 3 idiots mess with old cars. Big shout out to Doug and Mark for coming around and helping and just having a laugh and getting stuff done. Really enjoyed it, so I'll see you in the next video. See you later.